Hello students, welcome to Solves classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. Today we'll be solving question number 15 from the paper. In question number 15 it has been said that Mr. A is selling raffle tickets which cost 1 rupee per ticket. Mr. A is selling raffle tickets which cost 1 rupee per ticket, and then in the queue for tickets there are n people. There are n people who are in the queue for tickets. One of them has only a 2 rupee coin while all the rest have 1 rupee coins. Okay, now each person in the queue wants to buy exactly one ticket, and each arrangement in the queue is equally likely to occur. Okay, now initially Mr. A has no coins and enough tickets for everyone in the queue, so he has basically n tickets. He has n tickets available. Now he stops selling tickets as soon as he is unable to give the required change. So suppose some person comes forward to him with 2 rupees. In that case, if he has no change, since he had to give back 1 rupee change, if he does not have that 1 rupee, then he will stop selling tickets. Now we need to find out the probability that he can sell tickets to all the people in the queue. Okay, this is the probability that we need to find out over here. So what we'll do, the options that have been given are n minus 2 upon n, 1 by n, n minus 1 upon n, and n minus 1 upon n plus 1. So these are the 4 options. So what we'll do, let a1, a2, a3 up till a n minus 1 an be the persons, be the people. Okay, now we'll also assume that a1, a2 up till an minus 1 have rupee 1 coin, and only one person, that is the an person, has rupee 2 coin. So for the probability, so for an to get a ticket, that is for the last person who has the rupees 2 coin to get a ticket, the number of ways in which an or the person can get a ticket in spite of him having a rupee 2 coin will be equal to the number of ways in which an does not come first. Let me move it down. Does not come first in the queue. So the number of ways will be n factorial. N factorial is the total number of ways in which n persons can come to him. Any one person can come to him in n factorial ways. The first person can come in n ways, the second person can come in n minus 1 ways, the third person is n minus 2, and so on. This will continue till the last person can only come, that is only one way is possible, so that will be n factorial. And if an does not come, means we take out an, and out of the rest of the n minus 1 people, they come one after one, so that will, the n minus 1 persons can come to take ticket in n minus 1 factorial ways. So this will be equal to n into n minus 1 factorial minus n minus 1 factorial. So if we take n minus 1 factorial common, this will be equal to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial. So this is the value, this is the number of ways in which an can get a ticket. The total number of ways, as we have already discussed, will be n factorial. So the required probability of Mr. A selling all the tickets will be equal to n minus 1 into n minus 1 factorial upon n factorial. This will give us n minus 1 factorial by n factorial. This will give us n minus 1 factorial. When we cancel, this will give us n in the bottom, and this is the option C. So today we have solved question number 15 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.